Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the construction line and the polyline. In the command line, this is the construction line icon. It creates a line of infinite length, lines that extend to infinity, such as X lines can be used to create construction and reference lines and for trimming boundaries. So let me show you how we can use this construction line. If you click on this, it will ask you to specify a point. If you specify a point, see, if you want the lines in the horizontal direction, it will go till the end, infinity distance. You can just click on this and then give enter. See, the line has been drawn till infinity. This way you can draw the construction line. Similarly, let me show you in the vertical direction. If you want in the vertical direction, so you have selected this command. Similarly, let's draw the construction line in the vertical direction. Just you can click on this command and then specify in the working area, and see it is highlighting here in the vertical direction. We are drawing the line. Just click and then enter. See, the line, horizontal line and then vertical line has been drawn by using this construction line command. Now let's see what is the shortcut command for this construction line. XL is the shortcut command. XL you can type here. XL you can type, then enter. See, now it is asking you to specify a point or horizontal, vertical, angle, bisect, offset. So if we want a horizontal line, you can just type H and then just click. That's it. You have a line over here, horizontal line. Similarly, again I am going to type XL and then give vertical. See, the vertical line has been drawn. In this way you can draw this line. Let's delete this. I'll show you how these lines will be useful. These lines can be used as a reference lines. See, now these two footings are not in line. So if we wanted to align these two footings on the same line, what you can do is, I'm just going to draw a horizontal construction line. I'm going to place on the bottom of the footing. So this horizontal line is aligned with the bottom of the footing. Now I'm going to select this one and then move this footing to this line. See, now these two footings are aligned by using this reference line. In this way you can use this horizontal construction line. Similarly, if you want to align in the vertical direction, you can use the vertical construction line. Now let's discuss about the polyline command. In the command line, this is the polyline icon. You just keep the cursor on it. It will show you the specification. Polyline is a connected sequence of segment created as a single planar object. You can create a straight line segment, arc segment, or combination of the two. So by using this polyline command, we can create a single planar object. I just click on this and then specify the start point. Now this ortho mode is off, so that is why I'm not getting the straight line. So you have to switch on this ortho mode. Now I'm getting the straight line, and then just I'm clicking next point. I'm not giving the dimension, and then down I'm clicking over here. See, whenever I just drag this line, you are getting the tracking settings, right? To make this tracking settings, you have to switch on this polar tracking. So it is off now. You have to switch on this polar settings on and then go to this tracking settings option, and here under object snap you have to check this perpendicular so that it will show you the perpendicular option. See, now this ortho is off now. Ortho is also on now. Polar tracking is also on now. Now I would like to get the perpendicular tracking option, but it is not showing because this polar tracking is off now. I just click on this and then now it is giving you the perpendicular intersection so that you can close this object and then give enter finally. Now if you click on this one, it is a single segment, single planar segment. So if you draw the same with the line command, each line will be a separate segment, but by using polyline you can create like this. This will be very useful when you want to know the area of this segment. For example, just I'm clicking this segment and then give command list li. Li is the command. where you can get the area. See here you are getting the area. That means the area of this segment is 7655.21 square feet. Okay, in this way you will get the area. But if you draw the line rectangle like this or any object like this only using the line command, you will not be getting the area because it is a closed segment, single planar segment. So that is why you are getting the area by using the list command. So in this way, polyline command is very helpful. You can draw any shapes, not only rectangle like this, also you can draw whatever the shapes you want, you can draw. But only thing is, like, you are not supposed to give enter over here. If you just stop over here without closing the object, it will be like this only. So you cannot get area of this object because it is not a closed segment. We can even draw this polyline by using the command line. The command is PL. PL is P line. See, you can see here it is showing with the icon also. PL is polyline. Okay, so it will ask you the first point, second point, and then however you want you can just close it, and finally you have to give enter. If you select this one, it is a single planar segment. So in this way you can use the polyline command. That's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.